Hi, it's Valerie, and welcome to DerScanner 12.0, our newest update that brings in much anticipated AI-powered features to DerScanner, DerTriage, and DerFix. In today's video, we're going to talk about DerTriage, what it does, and why it's important. With the rise of AI-powered productivity tools such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Code Whisperer, the speed and volume of development have drastically went up, and this shifts the strain from the development teams to the security teams that somehow need to be able to keep up with the changes. And one thing about classic static analysis that we at DerScanner absolutely love is that this technology by design produces some false positives. And when the volume of development and the volume of security checks goes up, manual effort can no longer keep pace and becomes the bottleneck. And that's precisely why DerScanner team came up with DerTriage, a fully AI-powered reasoning module that will go through the raw data obtained after your classic static analysis to filter out all unnecessary noise, leaving you with clear, actionable data. Now let's jump in and see how it works. There are two ways to trigger DerTriage. The first one, prior to the analysis in the analysis settings for changes in bulk, and the second one in the results of your default classic static analysis for precise targeted check. So in the first option, we just go to the settings of static analysis, where we now have a dedicated block specifically for AI features. Go enable triage, then we can select the severity of the vulnerabilities, since this extra processing will inevitably lead to extra processing time. So if you only want to focus on critical, medium level vulnerabilities, you can go with this, or you can go with every single one. And if you want the results of your triage verification module to be automatically applied, you go and apply triage result. Then you set up the scan as usual and go with start scan. And for the second option, the targeted checks, let's navigate over to the very same project I pre-scanned as usual, so nothing made beforehand, and to the detailed results. So here in the list of vulnerabilities, just pick a vulnerability that piques your fancy. Let's navigate over to this one, and you just go and press this big DerTriage button for it to do its reasoning and present you a final verdict. So in this case, DerTriage will supply you with the final reasoning. So it goes with confirmed, but unlike other automated tools that will just feed you the final decision, DerTriage will also supply you with the exact reasoning that went behind this. So you can go for it, see if you agree or not, and if you do, you can change the status as DerTriage suggests you do and go with apply. So that is basically everything that I wanted to cover for today. So shift left, stay safe, and stay tuned for the next part where we dive deep into DerCodeFix and what it does and how it helps us to accelerate this security pipeline.